Hello, good day, everyone. This is Emmanuel Itumodo, and this is Project 5.4 for Cybersecurity. We go straight to instructions. Here we are to use PowerShell to list um to to list and identify two port numbers. Okay, so let's go straight into the assignment for the day. All right, so this is the command for using PowerShell to get this port numbers you set, and we look at straight away for 88 as on this as the PID 812. Port 88 is very important in Active Directory. Port 88 um, uses Kerberos for authentication. This protocol is used in Windows domain to securely verify user identity during login. It works with Active Directory domain services, which manages authentication by user accounts in network. This is very, very important and especially to cyber security that secure the network as with Kerberos for authentication. The next port we look at is 445. For 445 is PID 4, and for 445 is very important for file sharing and printer. It runs it is on it is used for SMB, which is server message block. This protocol allows files and printer sharing across the network. It works with server service, also known as landman server. We go to task 2, which is identify network services. Two network services are running. We go straight to that. Two network services that are running. Let's see. Ready? All right. So this is the command get service. So two network services that are running. I'd like to look at the DHCP client and DNS server. All right. So let's start from here. Yeah, this is DHCP client. The DHCP client is very important. It says that within your Active Directory domain, it helps to automatically assign IP addresses, which reduces conflict and reduces the duplication of IP addresses if done manually. So with the DHCP client, you automatically get your IP addresses, which is fantastic. And the DNS server, which is um, domain name service, has to resolve IP addresses into domain name. It's very this um, services are very, very important for Active Directory. So we go straight to the firewall rules. They're already created. We don't need to create any of them again. We go, first of all, look at the inbound rule. The inbound rule. Let's see. All right. This is the inbound rule. Okay, let me delete this one. Yeah. All right. So the inbound rule you can see here allow TCP 500. It's already enabled. You can disable the rear. You can also enable the rear. Okay. We just go quickly look at the property. Look at the property. Look at the scope. Look at okay. Specify profile to which can be applied. General. Advanced distribute. So that's for that. We go to the add boundary. The add boundary. The same thing. Look at the name. Allow TCP 500. Okay. Can be disabled here. Can also be enabled here. All right. So we go to the property. You can see. So, okay, advanced. You see protocol and port. You see. 500. Okay. That's for that. And then we go to the last create schedule task. I think I've already created that as well. Created that as well. Let's see. This is the name of the task. Daily Windows update check. We can run the task. We can run this. Let's look at the property here. The Windows update check. Look at the action and start. the start the program will be triggered by PowerShell. We look at the settings. All right. I think we are good to go. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Stay with me again.